Fishing part 2. Yeah.
What's up, Daddy?
We don't know what we're doing.
Nope. Who's this guy? Look at this. Who's this guy?
Yo, come fish with us.
Break it and I let go of it and it's gone.
Wait, no, it's not.
What's your name? Okay. What? I said, what's your name? Tell me your name! Jackass!
Carter.
See that guy again.
Well,
Did you get something?
What are you getting, bro? This is getting me better.
Did you get something?
well, I'm going to cut it to make a transition, and I don't know where I'm going to go.
Wait,
You'll
I'm-
figure it out.
I'm-
Short, but that was part 2.
Excuse me?